Good evening, all. Today the topic is electromagnetic inductions. Second part. Here we discuss expression for induced EMF. Expression for induced EMF due to relative orientation of the coil in the magnetic fields. See, this is the coil, rectangular coil, which is rotate about the angular speed omega with the axis of rotation. This is the axis dotted line in a uniform magnetic field along the field. B is the magnetic field induction. The area of the coil is A. When this coil is rotated in a uniform magnetic field with angular speed omega, then EMF is induced due to change in angle between B and A. So induced EMF is given by minus d phi by dt. We have a magnetic flux BA cos omega t. So induced EMF is equal to minus d phi by dt. D by dt, substitute the value of phi. So derivative of cos omega t is minus omega sin omega t. We get induced EMF is equal to BA omega sin omega t. For n number of turn of coil is equal to BA NW sin omega t. BA NW sin omega t. Okay. Case 1. When omega t is equal to pi by 2, then sin 90 is equal to 1. So E is equal to maximum, that is BA n omega, which is considered as E naught. Say. The equation 2 becomes E is equal to E naught sin omega t. So take a table versus omega t versus E. Substitute the value of 0, t by 4, t by 2, 3 t by 4. We get the value are this much. By plotting the graph between E and angle omega t, the graph will becomes like this. This indicates that the graph is AC nature. So we conclude that induced EMF developed in the coil is a alternating current. So come to self-inductions. Self-induction is the property of a coil which opposes the growth of current by inducing EMF in it. As you know, when the current flows through this coil, current slowly increases. As current slowly increases, current is related to magnetic field. So magnetic field also slowly changes. As magnetic field changes, then magnetic flux also changes. Therefore, magnetic flux proportional to current. So phi is equal to Li. L is a constant called coefficient of self-inductance. When I is equal to 1 ampere, then phi is equal to L. Then we can define as L. Definition L is it is numerically equal to magnetic flux when linked with the coil, when unit current flow through it. L is equal to phi by I, that is over by ampere, which is called Henry. The unit of L is Henry. Induced EMF is given by E is equal to minus d phi by dt. So substitute the value of phi is equal to Li, E is equal to minus L dy dt. Okay, clear? Then comes to mutual inductions. Mutual induction. If it's the 1 minute. Mutual induction is the phenomenon of production of induced EMF in one coil due to change in current in the other coil. Actually, it is a property of two coils in which induced EMF develop in one coil which oppose the growth of current in the other coils. Again, phi proportional to I, phi is equal to Mi. M is the coefficient of self-mutual inductions. So induced EMF is given by E is equal to minus M di by dt. Okay. So now comes to Application of eddy current. Eddy current, as you last class discussed, eddy current is the induced current developed in the metallic body when magnetic flux linked through it changes. Again, I repeat it, eddy current is the induced current developed in the metallic body when magnetic flux linked through it changes. Its application: induction furnace, electromagnetic damping, electric brake, speedometer, induction method, and electromagnetic shieldings. So these are all about the electromagnetic inductions. The topic is closed.